QuickBooks having printing issues. QuickBooks printing problems can be due to the corrupt parts in QuickBooks or the issues with your printer or the PC. In this video, we will tell you all the reasons and answers why is your QuickBooks no longer printing. So, what is the cause of QuickBooks won't print problem? QuickBooks no longer connects to Microsoft XPS document writer. QuickBooks freezes while saving PDF for syncing problems. QuickBook freezes while printing because of unresponsive XPS port, missing XPS printer driver. QuickBooks print command routes to null, unrecoverable error while printing for QuickBooks desktop for record clarity problems. Error 1722 or 1801 was once omitted while setup. Unrecoverable error while the code 15064 06798. QuickBooks PDF converter error 14982 50172. PDF converter activation error -20 -30 in QuickBooks. Print host driving force issues in QuickBooks. QuickBooks PDF converter activation error. Computer problems that causes QuickBooks printing problems. Offline printer, nullified QuickBooks printer driving force, logged in with a home window visitor account, empty printer paper tray. How to fix QuickBooks printing problems? Before beginning, make sure QuickBooks is updated to the latest release. Make sure your computer is connected to your printer. Make sure your printer driver is updated to the latest release. First solution, run the QuickBooks Print and Print Repair tool from the QuickBooks Tool Hub. First step, download and install the QuickBooks Tool Hub. First of all, you have to close your QuickBooks. Download the latest version of QuickBooks Tool Hub. Then save the file somewhere you can easily find it. Next, open the file you downloaded, QuickBooks Toolhub.exe. Then, follow the instructions in the display to install. Once it is installed, click the icon on your Windows desktop to open the Tool Hub. Second step, from the Tool Hub, run the QuickBooks PDF and Print Repair tool. Now, in the QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Then, select QuickBooks PDF and Print Repair tool. Next, attempt to print email or save as a PDF from QuickBooks Desktop again. If this doesn't fix your issue, don't worry and watch the next solution. Second solution, reset your temp folder permissions. First step, reset your temp folder permissions. If you're still getting the error, try to reboot your PC and then try again. Or try to reset your temp folder permissions. Check the folder permissions to temp folder. Steps. First, click the Windows key plus R to open the run command. Then type %temp and tap enter. Then click an empty area of the temp folder and select properties. Next, select the security tab. Make sure all the usernames and groups showing the security tab have full control. Now, once the permissions have been set to full control, save it as a PDF again within the QuickBooks. Second step, confirm you can print to XPS. QuickBooks uses a part of XPS document writer to save as a PDF. First, open Notepad, then type text and select file and then print. Now, select the XPS document writer and print. Next, type a file name and save it to your desktop. Finally, go to your desktop and view the XPS document you printed from the Notepad. Note, check if you can print outside QuickBooks. If you can't print to your XPS printer outside of QuickBooks, you will need to contact your IT professional for help. Third solution, check to see if the reconcile window is off the screen. If QuickBooks appear to log up after you select Reconcile from the banking menu, but PDF functions work, the Reconcile window may show off screen. Click the window menu and look in the list to see if your Reconcile window is listed. Then select Close All and begin the reconciliation again. We hope this video can assist you in fixing your QuickBooks printing issues. If solutions mentioned in the video don't fix your issues effectively, then it's best to get technical assistance from a professional. You can get in touch with us for any issues, queries, or problems, and we will help you to troubleshoot your issues efficiently.